Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 10, linear equations. First of all, what is linear equations? A linear equation is an algebraic equation which is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are constants. Then what is the equation? A statement of equality of two algebraic expressions which involves one or two variables is called an equation. Equation is x plus 5 is equal to 9. So linear equation simply ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A, b and c is equal to constant. This is constants. Clear? And the linear equation in one variable, it means whose highest power is 1. Linear equation in one variable. Variable is x, y and z. Here is a no z. This is a constant terms a, b and c. So linear equation in one variable means x plus 4 is equal to 19. This is the linear equation in one variable whose power is 1. So rules for solving equation in one variable. Here are 4 rules to solve equation in one variable. First one is the same number is added to both sides of the equation. The same number is added to both sides of the equation. Suppose, for example, x minus 4 is equal to 7. This is the linear equation and your statement is the same number is added to both sides. So we have to add the same number both sides. X minus 4, then add 4 in left side also and right side also. 7 plus 4. After calculating 4 minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. So 7 plus 4, x is equal to 11. This is the first rule to solve linear equation in one variable. Second is the same number is subtracted from both sides of the equation. Same number is subtracted from both sides of the equation. Statement is x plus 5 is equal to 9. As it is, we will same number x plus 5 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 plus minus. So x is equal to 4. This is your second property. Third one is the same number multiplied by the both sides. Same number is multiplied the same number is multiplied to both sides of equation. Statement is x upon 2 is equal to 5. So in the multiplication, same number x upon 2 into 2. So 5 into 2. So 2 cutting with this, x is equal to 5 to the 10. As it is, you can solve the linear equation in one variable. Next D part. The same non-zero number divides both sides of equation. Statement is 0.2 x is equal to 0.24. So same number 0.2 x divided by 0.2 is equal to 0.24 upon 0.2. So after solving, x is equal to 0.2 into 0.24 divided by 0.2, it means 1.2. This is your answer. So as it is, you can solve the linear equation in one variable. So come on, exercise page number 166, exercise 10.1. I am going to solve one part from each sum. So others you will solve by yourself. Exercise 10.1, first part. Convert the following statements into equations. Statement is already given. 5 added to a number is equal to 9, and we have to convert this statement in a equation. So 5 added to a number, we suppose x as a number, then 5 added, so x plus 5. 5 added to a number, suppose we have supposed it x plus 5 is equal to 9. So this is a equation. As it is, you can convert the statements into equations. Next part you will solve by yourself. Second, solve each of the following. First is x plus 3 is equal to 4. So x plus 3 is equal to 4. X as it is in this side 4, we will take plus 3 in the right side. 4 minus, here is a plus 3, right side it will convert into minus. So x is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. This is the value of x. Third is solve again. X minus 3 is equal to 4. So for the finding value of x you will take it left side, then 4 on the right side. Take this minus 3 on right side. Here is a minus 3, and after on the right side it will be converted into plus. So minus 3 is here, and on the right side it will be converted into plus 3. So x, 4 plus 3, 7. The value of x is equal to 7. Next part, it's very easy exercise, so try to solve all sums by yourself. Fourth one is first sum, 2x is equal to 6. We have learned about the 4 rules for solving in linear equation on page number 164. With the help of these rules, you can easily solve the exercise of 10.1. So now fourth part, first one, 2x is equal to 6. This is a, which property you are applying to here? Think about it. We will multiply these terms. So here 2x is equal to 6, x as it is 2 are multiplying with the x, so x is equal to 6 upon 2. So 2 3s are 6, x is equal to 3. This is the value of x. As it is similar sums you can solve by yourself. Suppose here is a 2m is equal to 8. So m as it is 8 divided by 2. So 4 2s are 8. This is the value of m. Next part. Fifth one is first sum, x upon 3 is equal to 2. What we have to do in this term? It's x upon 3 is equal to 2 and we have to find the value of the x. What is this? This is a variable or a constant? This is a variable and we have to find the value of the variable. X upon 3 is equal to 2. It is not possible to solve directly x. So x as it is, you will multiply 3 with 2. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, this is the value of the x. Next sum is third one. X upon 5 is equal to minus 4. Don't be confused in the signs of minus, plus. According to the rules, firstly you see which rule you are going to apply. Then here is a x upon 5 is equal to minus 4. You cannot add this term in that side. So you can multiply it. X as it is minus 4 multiply with the 5. So sign as it is you keep it with minus 4. 5 4s are 20 minus 20. This is x is equal to minus 20. So according to the sign, if here is a minus with the 5, here is a sign of minus. So minus minus is equal to plus. If there is a minus plus, it means minus. So in the statement here is a sign of a plus. So plus minus minus, you will put the sign of a minus 20. If you will not put the sign of a minus, your answer will be wrong. Clear? So dear students, only this exercise in your syllabus. So solve exercise 10.1 full on your copy. Thank you.